In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to play the song Falling by Trevor Daniel, so stay tuned. Hey everyone, this is Matt from You Can Uke, and every week I'm releasing new song tutorials so you can learn how to play the ukulele. So don't forget to like this video, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss a lesson, and consider joining me on Patreon where I have a chord chart available for this tutorial. Alright, let's check out this song together. So to play the song Falling, we first should make sure that our ukulele is in the standard tuning of G, C, E, A. And if you need help tuning your ukulele, then make sure that you check out my online ukulele tuner video. Next, there's 4 chords that we need to know in order to play this song, and those chords are B flat major, A minor, D minor, and F major. Let's check out those chords together. So the first chord for this song is B flat major. To play that, take your first finger, press down on the second string of the first fret, take your second finger, press down on the first string of the first fret, take your third finger, press down on the third string of the second fret, and then take your fourth finger and press down on the fourth string of the third fret. This is B flat major. The next chord is A minor. To play that, just take your second finger and press down on the fourth string of the second fret. This is A minor. The next chord is D minor. To play that, take your first finger, press down on the second string of the first fret, take your second finger, press down on the fourth string of the second fret, then take your third finger and press down on the third string of the second fret. This is D minor. And the last chord for the song is F major. To play that, just take your first finger, press down on the second string of the first fret, then take your second finger and press down on the fourth string of the second fret. This is F major. Now we're going to go through the finger picking pattern for this entire song. And before we go into that pattern, I need to show you where you apply your picking fingers on the strings. Your first finger is going to go on the fourth string. Your second finger is going to go on the third string. Your third finger is going to go on the second string, and then your fourth finger is going to go down on the first string. And so it's going to look something like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now the finger picking pattern for Falling is going to start on the fourth string, and it's just going to be 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's play that finger picking pattern now on the B flat major chord. 1 and 2 and ready and go. 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we're going to go through the chord progression for this entire song. It's just going to be B flat major for 4 beats, A minor for 4 beats, D minor for 4 beats, and F major for 4 beats. Let's play through that chord progression now by bringing out each chord. 1 and 2 and B flat go. 1 and 2 and 3 A minor. 1 and 2 and 3 D minor. 1 and 2 and 3 F major. 1 and 2 and 3 B flat again. 1 and 2 and 3 A minor. 1 and 2 and 3 D minor. 1 and 2 and 3 F major. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and now let's apply the finger picking pattern with that chord progression. 1 and 2 and ready and go. And 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now that we know the chords, the chord progression, and the finger picking pattern, let's put it all together with the lyrics and play through Falling. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and feel like I'm out of my mind, 'cause I can't get enough. Only one that I give my time, 'cause I got eyes for ya. Might make an exception for ya, 'cause I've been feeling ya. Think I might be out of my mind. I think that you're the one. My last made me feel like I would never try again. But when I saw you, I felt something I never felt. come closer, I'll give you all my love. If you treat me right, baby, I'll give you everything. My last made me feel like I would never try again, but when I saw you, I felt something I never felt. Come closer, I'll give you all my love. If you treat me right, baby, I'll give you everything. Now, if you want to play through the rest of that song, then check out my ukulele cover for Falling. And that's how you play Falling by Trevor Daniel. Thank you so much for checking out this video. I hope it brings you success in learning how to play the ukulele. Also, I want to give a special thanks to my friends at Flight Music for sponsoring this video, and to my friends at Soundbrenner for allowing me to showcase their awesome metronome watch. I'm going to leave links in the description box below so you can check out more of their products. Again, don't forget to subscribe, to join me on Patreon, and to check out these next tutorials so you can keep practicing and keep playing, because you can uke.